Never underestimate your power just to simply be and how powerful that is. The ripple of light, authenticity, genuineness, your acceptance of who you are within all creation. You deserve to be seen. You deserve to be known. You deserve to be loved. You deserve to be heard in every way. Your expression is profound, and never forget that. You deserve to have your song sung and to be listened to by those that choose. You deserve all the liberations that spirit will offer you in whatever way that your soul will dynamically guide you and write you and draw you and paint you and sing you and dance you into new realms of creativity. You deserve to be seen. You deserve to be known. Never allow anyone to make your voice, your presence be small. Never mistake another's wounds for who you are. You are profound. Stand in your profundity. You deserve to be seen. You deserve to be heard. You deserve to be known, and sing your song no matter where you are, because your voice is powerful and the world needs you. Creation needs you to speak your truth. You deserve to be seen and you deserve to be heard. You deserve to be seen. You deserve to be heard. Your story matters. I deserve to be seen. I deserve to be known. I deserve liberation. We are grown. I deserve to be known. I deserve to be seen. I deserve. I am that I am. Never be small for anyone. Your voice matters. You are loved. You are loved. You are loved. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Bienvenue. You are loved. You are loved. You are loved. Never be small for another. Stand up and speak your truth. Your story matters. Love and joy is all that is. Oneness is. Liberation is. Abundance is. Health is. All is. Happy holidays, dear lighted ones. You deserve to be seen. You deserve to be known. You are loved. Bye.